If you want to activate Siri or Hey Siri on the iPhone 16, 16 Pro, Pro Max, and the Plus, so in this video I will show you how to do that. Now to do that, just open Settings, then tap on Apple Intelligence and Siri. From here, just tap on Talk to Siri, and on this screen just select Hey Siri, or you can select Siri or Hey Siri. I will select Hey Siri, then tap on Continue. Now just say the following sentences. Hey Siri, how's the weather? Hey Siri, send a message. Hey Siri, set a timer for 3 minutes. Hey Siri, get directions home. Hey Siri, play some music. And after you do that, then tap on Done. And once you do that, you will be able to enable Siri by saying, Hey Siri, what's the weather in Chicago? Just like that. And this is how you can activate Siri or Hey Siri on the iPhone 16, 16 Pro, Pro Max, and the Plus. Make sure to like, comment, and subscribe. Thank you for watching.